Hey, Mr. Harrington's class. This is Mr. Irish again. Here we go. Let's kick off a Monday with some awesome math. Okay. Books never written. So we're going to find the authors of these books, and they're going to be very funny, silly names. But first, in order to find out who wrote The Break-In, The Origin of Man, and Making Soap, the silly names, we're going to solve the equations down here. Okay. So solve each equation, always read the directions, solve each equation below and find your solution in the code. Each time the solution appears, write the letter of that exercise above it. Okay, so O, let's write this in our notes. Okay, let's get our notes all set up. Boop. Okay, so 2-step equations, puzzle, here we go. 11, 15, 21. There we go. Okay. So first question. I forget what it is. I'm going to look at the paper again. Boom. 4y minus 9 equals 15. Okay. So 4y minus 9 equals 15. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to solve this first. Okay. See, it's an O. All right. Okay. What's the first step you do? What's the opposite of subtracting 9? Yeah, adding 9. Boop. So negative 9 plus 9 is 0. And so you just have 4y. 15 plus 9. Well, 9 plus 5, so that's 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, we got 24. 24. So sometimes you got to count your fingers to make sure you make it happen. So obviously multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. There we go. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times y is just y. 24 divided by 6, or 4 times what is 24? Use your chart if you need. That would be, 6. No calculators allowed. Let's check it. Make sure we got it. Ready? 4 times, not y, but 6 minus 9 equals 15. Whoop! So make sure it's true. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 9 is 15. Yep, 15 equals 15. Got it. Cool. So now when I go here on my worksheet, so whenever I see the number 6, like right here, I'm going to put an O. Do I see another 6? Nope, just 1. So I'm going to put an O right there. All right, let's try another one, shall we? All right, let's do the y right here. Let's do the y right here. So I'm skipping around, but you can go in order if you want. 35 equals, write this in your notes, negative 2x minus 15. Okay. Boop. All right. Because this is the kind of stuff we struggled on the Friday quiz. So we're going to make sure we practice it so we're good on it. Because Mr. Archer's class is only going to get more complicated. You know that. You got to be ready. So, negative 2x minus 15. The x is on the right side this time. The variable is on the left side this time, so I missed on the left side. Here I'm on the right side, so I'm messing with the right side. What's the opposite of subtracting 15? Yeah, adding 15. Boom. Okay. So, whoop. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'm going to put a 0, and I'll put the 1 in the tens place. So 1 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 50 equals, oh, don't forget the negative 2. Negative 2x. What's the opposite of multiplying by negative 2x? Dividing by negative 2. There you go. What's half of 50? What's half of 50 cents? Yeah, 25. Positive divided by a negative is a negative 25. There we go. So Let's make sure we make sense. 35, check it, equals -2 times x. X we got as -25. Boom, minus 15. Yeah. A negative times a negative is a positive. 50 minus 15. So 50 minus 10 would be 40. And then another 5 would be 35. Yeah. No calculator. Got it. There you go. So it both equals the same thing, -25. So I'm going to go look for y on my worksheet. Y on my worksheet. -25. There you go. Y right here. Write it in. That's a 25. That's not negative. That's a 25. That's not negative. That's a 25. That's not negative. So only that y right there. Okay, one more. Ready? Let's get crazy. And let's do letter C. Right here. C right here. Okay, C. -27 plus 20w equals 73. No calculator. We can do it. Ready? Here we go. Boop. Okay, C says whoop. All right, so variables on this side, I'm trying to isolate it. Oh, I see a plus sign, but I see a -27. What should I do to both sides? Yeah, add 27. Why am I adding 27? Because I want 0 here. They're opposite. So if I owe $27 and then I get $27, I have $0. I'm back even, plus 20w. So 0 plus anything is itself. So, all right, 3 plus 7 is 10, bump the 1, adding up. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, 100. 73 plus 27 is 100, okay. 100 right here. So 20 times what? So I'm going to divide by 20 because that's the opposite of multiplication, okay. W equals, how many $20 bills and $100? Yeah, 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, yeah. So, let's make sure we have 5 in the answers. That's going to be C. So where I see 5, put C. C right here. Is there another 5? Nope, that's it. All right, so now it is your turn. So we did a few of these. We didn't do K up here, so maybe we'll start with this one. Raise your hand if you get stuck. This is for you to knock out, get all of them right by the end of the class. Raise your hand if you are confused. Mr. Harrington will help you. Good work, everybody. Take care.